Thinking about getting the COMFEE MINILITE Countertop Dishwasher? At WashDryDazzle, we review appliances by looking at the 10 performance areas that matter most, like price, cleaning performance, drying efficiency, and more. We'll also stack it up against similar models, giving you the clarity you need to decide. So, let's begin with the first category. Price and design. Positioned in the mid-range class of countertop dishwashers, it comes in at roughly $300 at the time of this video. In the comparative price chart, it falls in the $256 to $306 range, where about 33% of dishwashers are positioned. The price is fair for its category, but it can vary over time, so for the latest deals, check the link in the description. Design-wise, it's compact at just 2.8 cubic foot, making it a solid fit for apartments, dorms, or RVs where space is limited. It comes in a clean white finish with a white digital control panel and a transparent viewing window so you can watch the wash cycle in action. It weighs about 36.6 pounds, which puts it in the 32 to 40 pound range, covering nearly a quarter of mini dishwashers. This model isn't Wi-Fi enabled and doesn't work with smart assistants like Alexa or Google, so you won't have app control or voice features. Noise level. This dishwasher runs at 62 decibels, which is a comfortable range for daily use. To put that into perspective, standing about 5 feet away would sound similar to a normal conversation or the background hum of an office, noticeable but not overly loud. Looking at the comparative noise chart, about 14% of dishwashers fall into the 60 to 62 decibels range, meaning it's on the higher side for noise in its class. In comparison, competitors like the ChuMaste CM-XWJ01 at 49 decibels, the Hermitlux HMX TDJ03 at 50 decibels, and the SEAGTOM TDQR09 at 50 decibels are noticeably quieter. Cleaning performance. This dishwasher offers 5 wash cycles, including normal, rapid, hygiene, glass, and fruit. Inside, you'll find 2 rotating spray arms, one at the top and one at the bottom, providing 360-degree water coverage to reach every corner of the tub. It also includes 2 specialized cycles. The fruit mode gently rinses fruits and vegetables, while the hygiene mode runs it up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for cleaning baby bottles or sanitizing dishes. Filtration is handled by a 2-layer removable manual filter system. For better performance, the entire filter system should be cleaned at least once a week. Wash cycles and running time. This dishwasher offers 5 wash programs, giving you plenty of flexibility for different cleaning needs. The normal cycle takes about 130 minutes, while the hygiene cycle runs for 135 minutes. If you're in a rush, the rapid cycle is only 40 minutes. The fruit wash finishes in just 20 minutes. For delicate items, the glass cycle runs for about 120 minutes. Looking at the comparative wash cycle chart, about 44% of dishwashers offer 5 cycles, so this mini dishwasher falls right in the most common range. Drying performance. For drying, this model uses residual heat drying. Residual heat drying works by using the heat left over from the final hot rinse to evaporate moisture, which makes it a more energy-efficient way to dry dishes without extra power-hungry heaters. Further to this, it also includes an air refresh function. This function circulates fresh air after a wash cycle. This helps vent moisture, prevent odors, and keep dishes fresh until you unload them. However, it does not include auto door opening or rinse aid dispenser, so drying performance may not be as advanced as higher-end dishwashers. Energy efficiency. This dishwasher is not Energy Star certified. Energy Star certified appliances meet strict energy efficiency standards set by the EPA, using less energy and reducing environmental impact. For its class, the energy draw is modest, making it a fairly efficient option. A normal cycle with residual heat dry, running for about 130 minutes, consumes around 0.34 kilowatt-hours of electricity. To put it simply, that's about the same as running a 1-ton air conditioner at full power for 20 minutes. Using it once daily adds up to around 10.2 kilowatt-hours of electricity per month. The dishwasher also includes a delay start timer, so you can set it to begin later, ideal for saving on off-peak energy rates or having dishes ready when you need them. Water usage. Each normal cycle consumes around 1.32 gallons, or 5 liters, which is typical for compact dishwashers in this class. For example, competitors like the ChuMaste CMXWJ01, Hermitlux HMX TDJ03, and SEAGTOM TDQR09 all consume the same 5 liters per cycle. Using this dishwasher can reduce water consumption by nearly 80% versus hand washing. It also offers 2 water intake modes. You can either connect it directly to a faucet or use the built-in water tank for flexible installation. Loading capacity. This is a 2-place setting dishwasher, meaning it's designed to handle dishes for about 2 people in a single load. In dishwasher terms, a 2-place setting includes 2 dinner plates, 2 dessert plates, 2 bowls, 2 cups, 2 glasses, and 2 sets of cutlery. In real use, it can typically hold 2 dinner plates, 2 dessert plates, 2 bowls, a cup, a glass, and cutlery, depending on their size. Looking at the comparative place setting chart, about 22% of dishwashers are 2-place setting models, which puts this dishwasher in the compact category, ideal for singles, couples, or very small kitchens. Safety features. For safety, it comes with a child lock to prevent accidental button presses or cycle interruptions. The dishwasher is also equipped with a non-slip base, ensuring it stays securely in place during operation. But remember, always place it on a sturdy, flat surface to avoid instability. Avoid setting it near gas or electric burners, and don't connect it with extension cords or plug adapters for safe operation. Reliability and durability. The build is primarily plastic, which keeps it lightweight and affordable. It's built to last and simple to maintain. The build is sturdy, though it's best not to place heavy objects on top to maintain its condition. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, but to keep it valid, make sure you use it only as intended, for household purposes, following the instruction manual. Misuse, mishandling, accidents, or neglect are not covered. That wraps up our review of this compact dishwasher. It might be small in size, but it definitely proves that compact dishwashers can perform just as well as the bigger models. Would we recommend it? Yes, without a doubt. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more reviews, and check the description for updated links and details.